in the band. Let me see. Oh, En Vogue. Wait, you wanted more like, okay, here. All right, let me grab this one. Oh, look at that. Oh, shit, yeah.
Hold on. I was like typing some shit. Let's see.
This one. Oh, shit, Tracy Chapman. Bob Marley.
He said,
Old school.
He said, Anonymous got problems.
He'd be having some brain problems, man.
He's like bashing his room. I'm chatting with him right now. He's like bashing his room.
Emotional insecurity. Man. Some people got to live with that, though. You know, they get that personality defect going on. You know, they really can't help it, but hey, that's okay. You know what they say, right?
Yeah. An emotional defect?
Yeah. Yeah, they got issues. It's okay though. It's not their fault. It cannot be helped. It's okay. Although they should probably be thinking about something like, I don't know, medication. Prescribed or non-prescribed. Whatever does the trick. Oh, hey Rick, you got another one waiting for you, by the way, man.
Oh, nice. Is it Grandmaster Flash?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
This is the unedited version. Let's see. Oh yeah. All right. I got a bunch of these. Let's see. Oh, this is some funky ass shit too. I know you're gonna recognize these. Let me see. Go back up one. Nope. Billy Walker? Oh no, that's somebody else. Okay. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the best songs off of
Yeah, that's the shit.
off of that album. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, I got 5 of them in a row for you, okay?
Uh-huh.
All right, you ready? Let me know when you're ready.
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, here we go. Now they're gonna appear as separate loads, so you have to click on each one. There you go. And these are all MP4s. You can play MP4s, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. All right, cool. That was to say, if you couldn't, I can convert. In fact, I might even have the MP3s handy too. Let me see the flash drive. Yeah, that's the one with the MP3s. Okay. Is that a 60 gig? It's this. Yeah, it's a 60 gig. All right. You know what I did, man? I went down to the store, the Best Buy, to look for something like they got 8 gig and 16 gig flash drives.
Yeah.
They store a lot of data, but to store what I need to store, I need something in like the, starting off at like the 60 or 80 gig range.
Yeah.
And you know how much they wanted for like just not an 80 gig flash drive, like SanDisk ones?
Yeah.
They wanted $200. $200 for a 60 gig flash drive. So, okay, Best Buy, and then they ain't the best. So I went to TigerDirect.com. I found the same thing for like 12 and change. 12 and change plus, well, there's tax too. So it works out to be like $16, right? For 60 gig flash drive. Which is pretty good considering an 8 gig flash drive costs like $35, $40. If you go to someplace like Wally World.
Yeah.
But it's decent. Yeah, let me see what else I got going here. Okay, they're all loading pretty good.
He just hating on Killer's Room, dude. I'm just like hit them up. I'm like, dude,